Okay, let's talk about some of the basics. Confidence. At the beginning, it is very normal to lack confidence. Confidence comes from mastering the craft. Acting is something you become. It's not something you try to do or something you do. When you become an actor, as opposed to trying to act, your confidence grows strong because you have no doubts of who you are and you have no fear to show it. Transformation. Becoming an actor is an internal transformation. It takes time, but you get there as long as you keep at it. Focus on honing your craft. Practice, practice, and practice, and then practice some more. Throw yourself into the deep end in character study and character development and play. Believe in what you are doing. Know what you are becoming. Record yourself constantly and send me the recording to monitor your progress. In terms of dialogue and learning the lines, you must never start learning the lines until you know your character inside out, fully, the given circumstances, the universal archetype, all the information in the text and beyond, everything you can imagine while building the character, their fears, their joys, their dreams, what they have for breakfast. Imagine and use improvisation to learn about your character. Use method acting to transform into your character. You transform into your character when you believe in what you are doing. Once you become your character, you will have no trouble with the dialogue and learning the lines. The warm-up is essential to boost your confidence, to get you into character, to feel prepared and in the moment, and to improve your performances. However, at this stage, you're using the warm-up to get you into the habit of transforming into your character and getting into the discipline of an actor preparing. My warm-up sequence can be seen as an intensive acting masterclass because it encompasses a small dose of practically everything there is to know when it comes to acting and performance preparation. Not only that, but this sequence or your own adapted variations of the sequence will become your actor's discipline routine. Once you have learned the method acting techniques and the monologues, and you have learned exactly how to get your desired career path, then the warm-up remains as your go-to preparation tool for fitness, voice, and mindset discipline routine. Do a warm-up every single time before you start working on this course or in any other acting. You can choose to do the complete sequence on the ebook or pick and choose different exercises each day.